Today I'm going to talk about a common problem, and this is with armatures. First though, I want to direct you to Jason the World Traveler's videos where he shows you the full process of casting my Fibonacci fox in bronze metal. It's pretty cool. Jason, you did an awesome job of making those videos. There's part 1 and part 2. I'll put a link down below to check those out, but watch those right after this if you have a minute. So today I'm going to talk about this problem, and this is with armatures. And as you can see, I'm building an armature here. I haven't bent the arms in place or legs or anything like that. But this problem that happens is when we take the clay, here's my plastiline clay, and I try to apply the clay to the wire. Now watch what happens. So when I put that clay on, it doesn't stick very well. See how it like spins around, you know, and it'll tear off too if you're not careful. But the worst part is it doesn't stay in place while I'm trying to sculpt. You know, if I'm trying to sculpt muscles in this guy's arms, I definitely want that clay to stay right where I apply it. So there's a simple way to fix this, and that's with some concrete tie wire. This is called tie wire, and you can get it in Menards or any other hardware store. You can order it online if you like. By the way, this is taxidermy wire. At least that's what I call it. It's really sturdy. You can bend it in place and it will stay there. I'll put links to all this wire down below if you want to check it out. And of course the clay too, because some of you might be watching this video because you're trying to learn about sculpting supplies. So anyway, what I can do is I can take some of this wire and cut it, you know, leave enough length that I can work with it. Anyway, I'll take my main wire, this is the arm, my armature. Then I take my tie wire, which is a lot more malleable, meaning I can move it around a lot more. And I just wrap it around like this. So I just wrap it around like that. And you can go where you wrap it a little bit closer. You don't want it to stick out so much that it gets in the way of the sculpting. So maybe I'll grab onto it with those pliers. So anyway, you get the picture at this point. So when this wire's on here, when I put my clay on, it's going to stick. Okay, it's not going to move, you know, it's not going to fall off. And this is what I want in a good armature. I want my clay to stick. If you have ever seen pre-made armatures, they're like stick figures. Usually they'll have some sort of wire wrapped around. If I find one online, I will also put a link to one of those in the description. It's a great learning tool if you just want to buy a pre-made armature. Anyway though, that's it. This is a really simple, easy trick for your next armature project. I'll just carve away with my tool. See how it really sticks because that wire is in there. So this will make things a lot easier for you, I guarantee that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. And check out the Fibonacci Fox videos that Jason the World Traveler posted. Thanks for watching. I will see you all next week.